We seem to have lost contact with Paul.
Hello.
We will be right back after these messages.
We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Indonesia.
We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and radio stations will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to Minneapolis metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been active, but it can't be confirmed at this time. For all those
I have some very unfortunate news to bring you. If you haven't heard by now, about the earthquake at the Yellowstone National Park. And now, the Yellowstone super volcano has erupted. This eruption has already wiped out the following states: Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, and parts of Utah. The following states will most likely be covered in ash: Utah, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Colorado, and parts of North